Hello and welcome back to another episode of Joe Vegan. Today I'm a little tired, so I'm gonna get right to it. Today, I'm making soup. So first things first, we got this pot here, it's a pretty large one. Got it on medium heat. We're gonna add some minced garlic. I like to cheat. I like to get the chopped or minced garlic from the store, just scoop it right on in. We'll do 2 teaspoons of that. We'll saute this for about a minute. While that's going, you can peel and dice your vegetables right here. We've got 2 carrots peeled, diced, 1 onion, yellow onion, diced, ready to go. It's been about a minute. Let's go ahead and add these to the mix. We'll saute these here for about, maybe 5 more minutes or so. I think that'll work. I will say I did just get back from LA, so this recipe probably won't light a candle to half of what I had out there. But you know what? I'm excited to try it either way, and you should be too. I think while this is sauteing, I'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. We'll add a cup of these magical lentils. They're dried, no wetness. Let's drain and rinse these black beans because they'll be next. Stir, 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 stir. Rinse, drained, come on and slam. We'll do a teaspoon of chili powders, a half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. So I think we've hit about 5 minutes on our primary vegetables, which is just grand. So we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. There's that little mixture we made up right here. Dumping right on in, there he is. Why this 28-ounce can here of diced tomatoes in the mix? If you're not a big fan of tomatoes, they make the smaller cans. You can go ahead and add whatever you like. But these ones here, they're fire roasted. I'm excited about them. I'm gonna go with the whole can. Then we'll add our 4 cups of vegetable broth right here. Just a little quick math. If you don't know what 4 cups is, it's this. It's a quart. We'll stir this in, crank the heat up a little bit, and we'll bring this to a boil real fast. Okay, now we're in boil town. We'll stir it up a little bit, turn this heat back down to a simmer. We'll let it sit for about 25 minutes. So debatably the most important piece of this recipe is this next step, and it is to, if you have a dog or a cat, whatever you got, give them a snack. And that'll help pass some of this time, and they'll appreciate that. So let's go do that real quick. Yeah, Eddie, want a cookie? Want a cookie? There it is, there it is. Sit. Easy. Easy, easy. There it is, there it is. And here I'm sorry to say it, folks, but we've neared the end of our video. Our soup is done. I'm gonna scoop it up and try some out. It's almost like a chili, and that's okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.